Hello, my name is Anna Rivas and I'm going to be doing Lab 2 for Week 2 of the Cardiovascular System. Today's date is November 18th, 2017. I have already dissected my sheep's heart, so in this video we are going to be reviewing some structures both on the superficial posterior side of the heart as well as some structures that are found more deep to the heart. So let's start with the posterior superficial parts of the heart. You're going to begin by labeling some superficial structures of the heart. This is the posterior view of our sheep heart. So we have, starting from the top, the aorta. I'm going to grab this just because it's easier. This is the aorta right over here. Right over here is the brachiocephalic artery. And then we are moving to, I'll use my probe now, right over here, which is the left auricle. And then we have this long line right here. I use this pin to represent it, is the interventricular sulcus. This is the posterior interventricular sulcus to be exact. If you want to see the anterior ventricular sulcus, it would be that line running down right there. Another structure that I labeled, just because we did reference it a few times, would be the apex, which is what I like to describe as the lower angle of the heart. So this is the apex right over here. Wonderful. So next we're going to label some more deep structures of the heart. Now we're going to label some structures of the heart that is found more deep than the previous ones that we examined. So starting from up here, we have the left atrium. The left atrium is separated from the left ventricle by the bicuspid valve, which is right here. And then this is the left ventricle, this part right here that I labeled. We're going to move over to the right side. So the right side, we do have the right atrium, which is right over here, which is this pin that I labeled. And then this is the right ventricle. The right ventricle and the right atrium is separated by the tricuspid valve, which is right over here. And then another structure that I did pin, just because, and we saw previously of the interventricular sulcus, I labeled right here so we do not get confused that this is the interventricular septum. So this is the interventricular septum, and then right over here earlier we did see the interventricular sulcus. And that is all for my Lab 2 of the cardiovascular system. Thank you very much for watching.